tell them the things in your mind. People are would you say, see, I'm no case, asafumu, nipo bibrashiase. So what you say? Obeji ne sofu bidie. Obeji ne sofu mami bidie. O shasi kanen kuku omu nsem chere nipa no. Afe ne nipa na ho so no. Na nipa ni nya ne secret nyina wiye no. Afe na wate nsem bi wa wonten a. Die see ye no hu se. Nipa na o trust no. Ono na asem ni firi bai. Nti adwiri na abre na sit to the level say onya so no kro bejai. So what you say? O feel say nipa so me sisi ma jiwadi. Na maka me kokko ma sama kyerɛw. Ene ne de wo de meti abonten. It's the devil that does that. Nti so won hwi ya. Eno be too sintidua. Ama you will just think say, now what? Who next? Now, who else can hurt me so badly? Who next? That's the way the devil is working right now, if you don't know. Obia obetumi wura ni bia. Obi wura no wa ye na dwuma. And he patrolled every single day. Get this. Every single day of patrol. Utumi no obi di nkomo. Don't say anything to nobody. Or china. Neda mountain. And you think, and you the person me sina me ne di nkomo ise mo nka nkyere obia. O tiu pa ba on you ni. O tiu pa oni ne kasa oh yeah. Ye ni say ye be say ba on trust you. Se ko tumi nya kukudru kasa me nyi woni ewraba. Tu de kasa na wo kasa tententen. Stop. Uncle. Obet your time. Listen to you. Ebi kura sembi wo ma wo kan ya na wo saka wo correct no on kasa wo no de wako abonte no wako destroy. Nkani mu wona nipa ne kan asem na bi beto wadwemu se no we ntwa ye no na na kan wo ho ase no sa asem we me no kasa na wi ba eya ne ntwa yi on kasa obeje pene obebo ye ofiri wachi a na wako osi nipa sumesi se Kristo sumu nyamese mi ye nyaka ba hwe mi hwe mi hu ye no esosin akayo mi de mi hwe mi hu ye oboa akayo complete ye Satan adane no o ma ne din foforo hwe hu ye wa ma label foforo bi ye frɛ no hwe hu ye ni pass me se me hwe mi hu ye pa wo no eno emu du chan yaka because saade na te se wowa muja ne gina ne tirim. So what you say e gina ne tirim onye hu wa odwene bibi wona dwem akomanim but we use word bi ye frɛ no me hwe me hu ye and they will use me hwe me hu ye word no to go against you. Me hwe me hu ye word no they use to speak bad against you. They will come closer to listen to you. You talk to them. Ebi kra assembly osyo as nipas mesi kasa chere no na ene kasa say. You will hear from them again. They will go behind your back and sit with that person now person one in kasa no. Ne ya super there. And that once you don't get results. Ote ya say. Instead of say adi we jikoto mame no okwa okotena sidi. Osreba na emba back biem. Se say na ama heaven kono se anye kefo emu be edu ebeden. Because the people around us no sometimes you hear something that is tough. It's tough. It's like what more can I do? Tough. And when you use word me hwe me hu ya and you obi o no kasa on na ya kakrake. That me hwe me hu ye no huge. That's the different motto as Satan diaba. Me hwe me hu ye kire say you have something in mind against that person. By Jesus me enyaka. Ntu hia na obechia no ba wo hwe wo hu ye. Nti what is the behind me hwe me hu ye? What is behind there? Nti sa uchi di say Yesu Kristo tumu na wono le eya o backbone no wo hwe wo so dia. What else do you have to be afraid of? But we use word and go against some people that we don't know say bonnet. When we become Christians, we don't have I was some or neso. Wakasa ma wani na ho a be vigilant. On ka say hwe wo ye woni pa no so ne fa adwen foforo bi ta akiri. No. Be watchful, be vigilant. Hwe sa di bi ba on chen immediately you stop it. You stop it in front of the person, not behind them. Be vigilant so that you can see what is coming to be able to stop it immediately. But not be okay, onyamese mi hwe me hu ye. Menye mi ma mani ntisa aboa wo. Nti no nipa smith me hu ye pa because me hu no kwan bi so say e nipa bia no se wo hu no bibi se de otie na odi kan de bona entimi enya adwuma. Adana me ni mi kunu be 3 days ago na me ni di nkomo na me kan asem bi kyen say odo nipa smith asem we oba na me di kan ma ni hu say I know all these things ka woni mi nuru baby edri ba me fa ne se me moso ba na o se ka me ma ni hu say okay this is what I hear any but me dia me ni hu asem bia but this is what they expect you when you expect so be ye to be wise sa na o mama me hu say you were going to do this very soon. Entino mi hu sa what sa mi hu sa wo yesa but this is what they say yes me mfanto so mane nyo adibu ho hu na udi kan yesa e kire nipa na e ma se wo sa adwe no kura e kam e bring it down. It stops that person to not do it. Tina make me say ya me ya say mam mi yeso now I keep it to myself. I feel a me. Oh, okay, this is what they were talking about. But ebia me di kan ma nipa ni hu say ni na wo ha nka ofa na foforo kra wonya hu se mehu no na mabo na mane no on try wo me so. But yehu we kept quiet, we don't say anything, we cover them, and then when the things start coming out, then we group ourselves and try to talk. In Cheye, especially churches, Ubi a pro or become Ubi wants a natural. Nipas Messi say. You stand there for more than 30 minutes to speak against that person in the church. It's too bad. Yeah, you see your memeku, your meku. Yo asaku yo konkonsa foko mo fo moni mumra ni en deliver mon tre konkonsa ye de ye huna nya ye soso ye yade no ye nya hu sei wo mu a ye nkan kire wo bi na ye ho bu kira ye si ye tu bi ho asem a ye ben nipa na wo ben no ni wura na ni etie na num asem. So what you say? Ye yade no tia mon kai mpaibom. Mi wo wi asesa na metie na men sakra me bai mitmu se kakra wum. Tell them that. Obia wo di odifri wi ase bai. Obia group ba ko penetre bia na me di wo ho ya. So obeka che o pasa na me ye baifo na masakra eno de wonka. Ba na me nya kra na me ye konkonsa ni in fact na me pentokwa na me ni eden pa that one day would na me ye baifo pa on tenta nsubi kura ni ntu. So what ye we ye konkonsa ni from we are saying wa ba Christo uba pe get delivered from that. Nyesa enya you go through it. Na no obetene check as papa pesa we untumi boni a umpe na we. So what you say? We do that to destroy papa no. Papa no. They were running away from us. They were running away from us. We hear their weaknesses. Instead of talking to them, we talk to others. Mimi who weaknesses are memo. The nipple who also I didn't know from woman who was obumaten. And then I'm saying I'm a kind of video tea and walk. I'm telling you yourself. Baby. Now you want me to go outside and say it? I want you to know. I will start watching that. Who come and I promise you at the end of the year. Na me pemema pa jamai de na nyasam ketwa me start say me hu dress bia me say sister Kuya ade no o ya manifest Sunday no wata ade no ne nkoyi o ya yi no ye mpre obi wo sister yes ne jamai yes ne ugina plaza wo ye no sakra no ba ne no wo wata ade le hye no he said yes anwi ya obi ya sofu ya kwo go to her direct. The wajimi wana obekun di onim nyansa obefa wasem osekuya yinyina ye wo yare ye de bae yinyina ye yare obi ane ne yare me yare na wo so yare yinyina ya ba me hu sa wo yare no wo ya keka no kane hye nyesa obe gu anim ase o sister de nra tade na ne hye wo no ne nye se de na chechire wo no eye akwa no opeso oda no ho di kakra no gu anim ase mma no kwan. So what you say? Mon can some utu sister no nye. Or the no to was minim sister be. Hey, or no okuta power our ketremenso. So wouldn't nano kunu your problem, nako catch and obemoja ukuna fampana. Nano so could the preacher kakra or bed che. Hey, 6 o'clock na man for any demoma, ma. Near ton you couldn't. In yet tona suwe mua, advice or the man away the big umpo a big goof. Umupena semonso, or boy jumanso. Sandy powers or sacrano bass on them, we have to watch it. So what you see? You see the sign of it, you get closer. And Copre will be watching. And I may show me, me show me, some me who you know, a Sosia Yaka, a Christopher woman, me be a swatcher, some me you. If you are a phone, a Kahunya obey a minty madame, or when they used to start wedding, or when they used to me show me who you, Christoni. We are starting to obey the through me and I'm about obey the not on Zaddy. Me show me who you. They will be evangelized, obey evangelism at the end of the day. Woman in Ambasako. I just said you wouldn't answer, no one the tia or the walk quadru Christos to moon was media petampe. The mobile beer, I will stay here. But yes, sir, I'm telling you, you will run. Timisremo, a Christopher Maba. Sir, me shame me be wise. Can you pan him? Do you see ye no? You Bible no me enko hadi. Do you see ye no talk about it? Don't be scared. Usuru no a bit dunya. Don't be afraid. I'm telling you. Kukudru wadwuma yi mu. Kukudru nipa bi wo kana nima. O so kuku yedu. Nge sa Satan be kan kasa bo ahwe. Me come chiro. Your Bible no ko that say 2 Timothy chapter 4. O say itrasem no say adistrebi. O say afemi di wo adanse onyankopon ni Kristo Yesu a obigu atiasefo ni ewufo atan na hoyi ne na hinie mu no anim paimuka asem no ginemu ebra eye ne de enye emu yi atan kanimu tufo abogyekyerɛ ne nkyerɛkyerɛ nyinaa emu ati osi tufo kainimu yaten abogyekyerɛ ne nkyerɛkyerɛ nyinaa to wode sasemu ya mawo na untumi ntufo untumi nkanimu untumi nyiaten na wode wo de behye wo nkyɛn na wakeka nipa na sama kyerɛ obi instead of go be bold and go there speak to that person odum abogyekyerɛ. We refuse to do it. And we are still using West Mission. Yes, you better better now. You. And you know what you show one. I send me now a second one. If you are watching Mudo and I be a walk when you move Christum, then come on, I didn't. Would me show me who ye, me show me who ye, me show me who ye, or Frau Crow when it's your phone or crown for. And so be our booby, and so when you or booby, and so who do honey. Nti o sa oboa no nti sa nipa no oboa no na wo tunifo de wo mu bi anya na wo kananim na wo yi na ten abogyekyere wo yeye ne sa wo ade bi onye wo su de no de hye na boso mu no akyekyere hye baabi wo bi de a pocket back pocket na hye baabi o de me hwe me hu ye obo no obi aba wo te asema nipa so mesika o sa ma me hwe me hu ye e chan yaka a chain ayaka. But we use that. What's it too for? I mean, some can was say, Paimuka asamono. And yet, some paka for one who uses our the Yamaye, including who that's sitting in the church. What's it Paimu? Can some because it be a small becano, it be in the panate, it be cananim, it be tuniful. You go to that person, you quote, you speak to them, we are, you hug each other and move on. We will make it. If we check it, who wants a baby, said you be shot at there, who wants a baby time at that now don't start prato or create mammy as a ibitawa. No, the same as Christianity. When you see something, this is the some seven previous son. What Jimmy? Or no sano, bibita na tadi na ube pre free hosta de beya wako bedroom nkugu na nimase no wa found no time. O se nipa ne ukasa sawia, ukura uda na se. So what you say? But we are so sensitive, including pastors. So sensitive. We can't bear anything. Obeya na mena me koka o de mena me unso betene chira kan. Why can't you be bold in front of people? Why can't you? If you really know, said you you're good, why can't you do that? Then you watch that person, when they left, then you're talking to people about that person. Why? This is the most dangerous disease in our Christian life now that I'm talking to you. If we are sorry, ma. If we are sorry, penny for. If we are suffer. If we are suffer, mammy for. But they don't see it. They call it. That's how they call it. Nipa bi utu ni for na reso ujim for. Then you back off. Chico de be ma on be chese ujim for. Then you back off. So what you say? But you didn't say anything. But then you sit somewhere and say, hey, why? Me de me hwe me hu yo. Why yaka complete? What di kan ma yehu? O se nipa fie for be na tamfo. So di obey wo. We know that. So what you say? Nti I watch it. When I see something coming up, me ma won twamansa. We will do the talking. We will talk about it. To be done with it. Christians, we don't communicate. We don't communicate. See, ye near for there. Nenya me back open ye someone in heaven, ye pack there. We have to communicate to each other. We are brothers and sisters. Bakona ya wadia enye friend no nene nkasa. Ahasi di usiti ameno eye me ya pa. Next time don't do that. Eye me ya pa matena se adwene ho asu ho and I don't wanna me pese me ye bone wo ho. But me sro. Next time me no di agora na me no ye bibia. The way you go far on this one, titi a break mama me sro. In persistent be you me to do anything. We talk like this. Tinipa no nimnyansa osene me sorry. I'm very sorry about this. You hug each other and move on. When should you be frustrated bebe fie no kuto bi menasebo. Ukuta obi menasebo. Asema na ka so we bold or kan ho asem next to track right away no nko ne baby no. He refused to do that. No funny panel support. Now bomb pay bedako. Ebedako. We are praying day and night, but we lack something. We lack something. So when we do all these things, we have to sit back also and check ourselves. Is everything going well? Is everything Ofa no ho adwembone ohu ofiliu in her spirit. Ohu ye Christopher ye bompa ye da onyame bi ni maso. Nti we have to get closer to each other. You know, let them know this is what's going on. Your attitude this way, I don't like it. Your attitude this way, it makes me run away. Your attitude this way, it hurts. Your attitude this way, I know we will get there. We will get there. But when you get here, it's a break. We have to talk. Communication is a key. We don't communicate, but we serve one Father. We always say, Abba, Father. Yesu nyame koro. Eja ba ko na ne mane. Tisie ye nuafo a adenti na we communicate. Why? Min kasa se saw secret bi ko go obi anim ka kire na say. But we have to communicate. So, unsa wo yare no, obi amo wa mane se wo yare ni bi kun ti ja inti no. Afi amani pani so o hwe no hu. But if you get close and I have to point it out. Me pointing out am yare asomesi wanku na seta edu be kojim. Bra yare asomesi wo ho pa. Amafo ho asem tena mu che obi ye wade ye hye ododo ade. And my own to me, it may be a blockage. Don't do that. You will be sick over this. But we don't do that. Timestre, ejidi4 ayaba. We have to be wise. Heaven ayekon nyeketwasa. The people around us, they will do a lot of things. A lot. Until always get ready. Tinipa na wo hu ne se wo so wonyem. Me no waka metwen ben pa. What you say? When you get closer to people like that, onya road. But me hwe me hu yi no, ene no woman ekwan o. Obe used to me hwe me hu yi no so go against you. So what you say? And when you distance yourself, then you will be a door na man. So what you say? Obey you to say where the who you know, and they are quantia. So what you say? Into who cook robimu na who dear a bushia yes so we are bonny a woman. Be nice to them. be nice to those people. Yes, so but because of being nice to them, no, they will fight your fight. Me do ba America for be investigation. Na FBI for ni one for no secret whatever for ne kwa. They go to the enemies. I don't feel channel moko gather information. They go there. If they will get the good facts, Nima also complete or investigation, they go to their enemies. Say Arab before, person who American secret, they come to them and educate by the same Americans. Or move education free, the same Americans, no. Then they will go back. So what you say? Tis me who some my child or dinner we intelligent, so I'll give you a job to do. And I'll pay you good. So you won't go somewhere and use it against me. But we don't know how to do this. Nipano san ni yadi ya or diabano. And you're doing something that it will push them to do more. Get them closer. Ya maybe you know when they are not what rebuking them. You say something you want them. I say this, me no one tell me when you make. If this word goes anywhere, God will hold you responsible. Say nipanish through nyame pa no open heaven akwa. They won't dare open their mouth saying anything to any human being. So what I say, they won't do it. We have to get used to getting our enemies. Intina used to, he knows what he's talking about. Was it mono matamfo? Why do you think he said that? Hey, then I make odo matamfo, papa. Was it mono matamfo? One no tamfo BBC. Who opponent be kwa kofra tamfo no wadi secret. Nti dono se de be ya nipa ne ba onya no mfa ne nko. Was it mono matamfo? Why did he say that? Munya wana otamu ye. Because nipa we your tamfo no. We ni ya on how. What try cry and penetrate it through you. Especially will be our bell power nim all your secrets. You have to be nice to that person. Or it's easy to expose you. Will be our bell one who near my back you know wow dear dance yes if it comes out it will blow people's mind. Be wise. Get that person closer. No be a me bribe na man expose you when you must. Tis a yes to see do watamfo. Munyo wana watamu here. He's wise. He knows where he's coming from. He knows what he's talking about. Because if you walk them away, if you resist them, they will go out there and blow everything. So if you really know, so once in be honoma, ni konsu will be tina will be particular person be Noah. Don't come back today and say she's my enemy. You open the door for that person to go and destroy you. And every time they go, they add more than you say. They add more. They add much. They say so much. The ones that you have no idea. Because nipa ta honest was so you say at the say or you share or tamfu so share onante o mananaichia onye mane nyefe. So what I say, they will do more. Enra o se enrachi na mehwe eniema e trendy wo chese they say they be asem sumfrosi. Now these people, they were talking about almost say Vivian Gel, whatever. Which is, I don't know too much about that. I met that lady once in Chicago, Ghana Fest. She seems very sweet. But then this guy came out, you know, talking and all that. And I can see some people that they were saying they were helping to shut this guy's mouth. You know. I can also see from behind, say, they were also doing too much to spread the news. Yes. You think he said, oh, why did he say this? But at the same time, the same people are using the same weapon to spread you more. So what you say? Ubekum no ubi obeno pa bia no kura ye nahi. Ene wo twa ntoro ne no kura ye pe. So what you say? And when the devil trying to put their tactics together, they were experts. Yet the atade be show me no be. And I asked myself, where is Kumawood movie stars? Why don't you all get up and support her? Because me brobe muso wako wi ade o London. O ba mu koshia no mudi mu me koshia no airport. So you do it, right? Obi no obi kire me bie moni akoho bia na you don't see it. Mu kan say milia brobe ko wi jewelries. E wo London. Ye di ato no so asem no enye ntise nei sa first nse na bloggers yi no so. Na bloggers yi mai. Ana meboa. Muchi mumeme Echo Airport Committee no deny all these allegations. Now then na munia we so de edi asem kese we ato no so na munyina mo so mon come out. Na munyina mu na moja mo bloggers. Because muna muni nipa na ye adwuma muni muno you trust her, right? So we want to hear more from you guys mouth then. Emilia brobe bia ba mo kan se mo ne na corset so obi nsuo kura won fa bi no moda se wo nsuo si wo no wafa ubusa na se mafa wo nsuo onye bi da mo be kan ma ye hu sa mpa wonye kromfo me bo a na afi ade na mo another colleague bibi say ya to no na mo nyina mo come out to defend na mo jama bloggers wants to be bloggers, okay? They want to be out there, their ratings will go high and they make their money. So it's like they were helping you, but they're not. So what you say? Christo ni papa wants some. Sisi ye nyina ye to ye papa ni so for kwesi wa. Obi be kan no we will go crazy. We will go crazy because Rebecca se nipa na be kan yo. Ye no mbeko ahye anameboa. We will defend the man. We will say everything that we know about him to defend him, to make people stop rubbish. Right? But people, she's a woman. Okay? We need more, not only her family, all the crew, the Kumawood crew, come out, defend your sister. Period. You did it for Emilia Brobe. Now it's her turn. This punch is very hard. Omo to blow no. I'm nye common. Onene bano. Enye common. Asemu abafu for na say ebe wura no papa. It will cause a lot of trauma. If it's not true, no mo dey actually store, it will cause a lot of trauma. So she need more people, more to defend if you guys really know her. But you guys are so quiet. You're doing your own thing. You refuse to mention what is going on. Tell people, money in a corset so let us know because money is very close. Money na ye juma che. Ntino kroma wo ja adwuma bi kwa na wo kwa adwuma bi ma. E wo se omo je wo all place in a number. They call them to ask them about you. So what you say? To almost flower near come one if I want a woman on Zanka. 2 to 1 man or Tino, near maybe one don't leave it to the bloggers to destroy. Mammy Ben and Penny Bassin. I just a collar where you stumble. On penny mammy. I collar 1 year. I collar 1 year won't you was some. But I collar with you was some. You love him, me, my boys, me, penino. Loveless. Just say, me pa collar sama to the level of me, you know, come and say. Because that was you, mammy mate. Sorry, was you mate. The another the assume. Nebia bibi ni minyane kola na beka so wona na so se chiribin. Ko yesi mame wonya mana ma obe so se boom. I love that kid so much. Na kola yini se si akra ne tenten wa chame. Na me bai titar me won se mame no to oba no de o titar no do se se wona ne da. Hey. Sir, I love that kid so much. So, because you're obedient. And I do the assume. Love, I don't want you way. Boom, no, sorry, Mom, I'm good. Oh, Mom, what? Me bana be boom. Emma, when you cry, keke wabo frane. So what you say? Nancy me kuna rangy. I say, baby. Nancy baby, I'll go with Loveless. And then the teacher bako bahano ubisa me no so why and I'm so because he is a sheep. We will join. Very humble. Till when I go to a place with him, me so big, me say I'm not the sumo. I call him that. I'm deep. Loveless, yes, ma. O tell me I'm sorry, you know. Dear, no, I call him best sorry to go. Do you buy a good sir? Now, don't want. Body be the woman. The only good now treat you as a man or can or can or person what you're soon, Minyasaman, or no crowd packing his in chain. You don't care. The obey be out fountain. Wouldn't not cry, general. Because we move on found your pay. So what you say? But the fellow who boo, so we any mammy, who boo, so we any papa. You will was some mate, or no one challenge it. You love that kid so much. Too much. Too much. Nti so obi akukura sem say dia to mu so woni na ye adwuma che you know who she is and everything. We need the co-workers to defend the family and the co-workers. Come on, but so come receive so ninya 2K defend your sister. Mamun come on to mu nshachiro. Ne milia bro be yedet krono to no so lend this we are the mu ko shia no airport. Where were you? Moi. Asam tu onia jina mu mani nia ana meboa. Mitiwe asam tu me nua no mu nyina mu. Mu nkabi. Mitiwe no mo tese yesi mame ano to akobokoro. Mame ano to akoyesi. Mudidi munimuno ebeba be kasa di ni muno no nyesa na wote ye wu ne ta bi da. So what you say nti munimuno I'm a mother, okay, it hurts. So we can't say na no kra. I mean it's a scar. It's a scar. Me say to be a baby. Kitwa no hura mesisi for mo nyam no na eko Why, ma'am? Miss, no, me, I'm going with Loveless because one no one mean kasa. One no one may it will be a minimum call. Mimi call me over to ma'am, let's go. You take too much. Loveless on kasa. Me I will so what the old bratna. You want me to go to leave and go? So do your ma'am finish whatever you're doing. Yes. Tiakola we no obey me. Closer people, they are the one. And get them closer. Don't push them away. They will do more than this. Get them closer. Love the enemies. Meet me a blow chance one time. Bring them close. Please. They say, you can't even love your own son. A mema per mama massem. A masso per mama massem. So what you say? A mema per mama massem. Over daddy. A man so per mama mema sempa. Into bear as a mommy's boy. Over here, see daddy's girl. That's how they say. So what you say? I didn't find Bibi and Tetchery. It will be a mitia no more to coin. Mitia me here, you number not here. Yes, say, will see you, Mate. Yadi, we know the cat. Miss sorry, no business obey ye. Oh, see on my own campo. So what you say? Obi so want you kasakora. Found. Who can't say no any you cry? Who can one no can too? Who can the was way or me? Me the imagine you. Hey, sir. Okay. Oh, me say you say was me. Said you who in your son me who know. No, teach you one no to say. Hey, too much cry. Too no challenge no. When you need chawa, no back it off. Miss Awi, I may back it off. So when you need me, who bet my ball bra, me can be an internet as a me foot to a yajuma. Bible is so such a bofrana choir one fasten when you know when flew. Make sure choir over fasten when you know when flew. Now, so when you need me, no me joke, mamma. Do your thing. Ye mawa, fa. And ye mawa, metia. So what you say? Do you good pan so show no no you dear man. It be so no obet nyaku kudro ejina baby asore dem agada asa for money bi asupa ne ma me ne papa. Yes obeka kire wo mo no nyomo na wo sa wo kura wo tan ni nyina ne se wo fa ne decisions bi enkoyi as a mother as a father you see o fuck like here adwuma you tell say we was debi dia wo sinye no sa na me person me yem nti how can you continue with such person ah no hu se obetuma bonbra. It's too much. Bible ne kan o se brandi be kwa wi ya awofo ma ho asem aso defo me hwe ewa bi wo Bible no called 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 2 no I think verse 2 yeah was say free say enipa beye ahopefo sikape mame starting free beginning 2 Timothy chapter 3 was say na huni ye say ena edi akiri no mu emra emu ye den beba free say nipa beye ahopefo sikapefo ahohoafo ahantanfo abususenkafo awofo asem ho asoden beba awofo ho asem ho asodenfo boniayefo wona bibiara ho nte emma wo So what you say? And then call them parenting. Who your experience be? My experience be. They don't respect. Especially when not into your pa. Who sa who sa na who no we young good kakra. Umukra. Umu. Who didn't be running a mimu, who be teaching the bibia, but still, umu de. Unene kasa, ubi too cheek. Adi women or 17 on Pessimesa. I didn't say the mafa hour was a message, I didn't say the mafa. My dinning me focusing a honey gina, no 2 the egu. So what you know, woman, or you're thinking long term about one in life. And so be too good. Or be pentama, I try. And at the end of the day, or come and see you, then they come back to you. You come. And you are somewhere ready. I was a bem. Or Sibrani Bequia ya. Nipa be bunie for Obana washing for so long, no be catch us on your man because of so per camry one time. Nyadala ya no obi baso ope e de say kai your friend simple o kai Mustang ne ma mi anto Mustang am na obeba na what kwahye fie Dallas he won his mother one to Mustang na ma na jipu no utia so aizo so na jibu no ma me be free djuma beba na wahye fie. You see all these things. And my young onya boyfriend say wo. Obeka chose the boyfriend he be man. He does almost everything for me. Teenagers are would you so what you say? And your Bible trust some na kan a year juma. No respect. 1 was the 2. 3 was the yin yikura. 4 was the saga makas mejion. Ibi susu mpanimfo ni bi susu o ibinum ese konkonsan dokoro wo ma nti wo hia obi a ese ne hwinimu bon no na otu ni maame so na ne papa so otua na o matwea ben no okotietie na no die wa wotesa kotietie akwa ya ne so wok ene ntese e kuya na se mi hu ma chena na de na na se die se na no maame ta ba hapa mi hu mu na se o me mami de jana se o ade o so men kasasa akola o ma just me mami de jana o na what no kansam no si woni na no boni ni no ti instead of so be rebuke jai o ja be pesa no bie na so no dia boni ntoma no so ko chia wi so what they koye lai soup o je ho anti ase nka wo fo hu sa na debi we have to solve this. No, obey takra wo jemu wachiri. Takra wo jemu. Akola no so wo shanti office nipa no oboa no onyi se o ha ne dachi. Penimfu bi bebre mu contract amwaje no nyai. So what you say? Say you oba ye bibi na mfa wo kwan mu a utiano no obi ba ye bibi no otiano yensom we gather together and build up that kid no nyini. So what you say? Yen sheye matacho eno na boy ya bruchi fo ibebre ya share money too much amount they become our boss. How? Nkolani bi abaye yenye mpenimfo nkola na baba ye boss ye boss. Me may ko camp now repokra. Boy you do mukui. Just a mammy for guess no cry the major woman tiasi. The way they were pressuring the leader no youth leader now dim kolani the way parents be pressuring no cry major one me ade. Nkolana asemo mbeka no mo the pressure aba. Obeti to baby ana ye den. Mo ye Christopher, mo kwa sorry, mo ye good Christians. Mo betena se de bia na ye preach, we o mo nyina mo preach bi. Ye no mo meko ntade ye hyenkola ne nye. Wo mo TV gu mo ti so prostitute chan wo mo a meshi gu wo mo to. Mo na mo tena so ne mo ache, ye di twa mo fruma. Nso nkola no nka wo mo ko baabi no nanka nidim no mo sisi fonso no mo test wo mo maame no ena wo mo si enyese no mo cry eko wo mo preach wo mo betena e preach no mo se na ya bo mesh na ye nche ya tade yie asem ikura bi kura nyame nkonkon ne pese wo mo ka youth bibli we fia no wo mo hia ena ya back camp ena ye kasa no mo test maame fo na maame fo ya koma huguru wo be po wo fie aba womo be boa man kola na sei womo sei wi ese nkola na sei we ye be biesku metie me mei womo nkuta phone no obi be ka say eh mama no chona de woni sika odi me man ni phone no me kono try na mse brother biu boni nkola ni de phone di no de be me be bi enya phone ofia not yet. Junior kura me wonse ne niwo foma ni bra beje fon no ubia wo moti ase enso wonya fon me koto no he so we were 15 we were 14 14 they don't have phone. It's not because we cannot buy it for them. But niema nkola ne de phone ye no. Nye komo. Pono ene niema funu nkola ne de phone ye no. Amuko kruska no ko toto phone so. They don't have phone. Me couldn't try and sort of misrow eduma we let me do it please. So they won't die. That's why I'm here. You call your mother, I will be there. You are in school, they have a public phone. Get your teacher's number, phone, call me. You go to the mall, you want me to pick you up? Tell somebody, give them the number. They will call me for you. Nieme go phone so I send kolano. Nya komo nsumika se obi ba wo 10 obi wo 9 obi wo 7 years ukukuru phone na maneba I won't do it all ya mama phone na bluetooth phone man wo ma nyina na mana pro we have some mothers say you justice say the way you titi your man nya komo ta o me man wo beto wo beka so wo bititi wo mo Ghana o udi agomebo wasum na wo police men na emma wadwin mu cross free police emma wadwin you were more my perform. They were doing all kinds of work. Adam phobia so ma. Oh, madam for your back Daniel so they say 35 years old. One no mu teacher. Omo pastor, youth pastor. Daniel so ye justice. Ono ne ba obeba no beba beto omo no asia na Bible de ni mu chiate mi wi aduma no oduane am omo no mo didi no omko ena bruni ba ko kan David ono so ye pastor omo nyinyi di chen kola no omo ena me ma wo mo kwan bafia what you say? Who do rough be? Na me hwene nkoyi me Fred Daniel no Daniel Bethia. Ebeka se ni nua ba pa ne me no be discipline me ba. Ketuwa no. What to make come best ni ko fo mo na me nkobu. Am paso. Die minti me nya no ma frɛ no me se ne nipa so me si ye say wan kasa nkyere me yie. Na ba bia no woni mentem woni mu twika me bo na so. Wo if you on most can go to basement for nimbu to form. Na kola nimbu to form ni ete ya ni nimbu to form the whole time. Respect. Me na no kan na wonya we. No. You treat your man. Bible na kan was brede be ko wi ya. Awofo wa kan kire yen. Until we have to seek wisdom and at the same time apply unyame wisdom to do it. Because maybe you see what Bible mu emi ne ma. Unyame ka chense ekoya na waso faso etia ne man wan nye ne sa. He did not do it the way he's supposed to do it. Into kum ne mano. This time unkola na wa moba no, dia wase wontumi mre no ho asenhya wase dia ene won kobo ne bra. Yes, no what wonsa, no jano. Go. Go. Me jao. Go. So which my bobra, me nye me yafun, me ntimi mwa, then go. Na me tie chire, na me wo de ko. Go. So what you say? My children cannot carry phone in the house. Nebebo game. See all this. They say Nickelodeons. Mama ni nyai. All this super corner woman have toys. Toys, what kind of toys? Toys are you to me be on Emma Bema ne Bema e worry. Say Uncle Annie had toys. They were teaching them a lot of gays and lesbianism. Demonic and Kolani is coming from the toys that they watch. And Nima Homo implementing one Kolana Yinuno. Ntin Kolana Nimu Homo Yantiana no. And no more toys, and no more toys, and two to the Omoke Canada. No Kolani Bibri I possess. Bibri I possess through this thing that they were watching. Or Nickelodeon, or away. You see the things that they do. That could have to was stretch in the shot there. Till you woman knew phone, so no one phone woman mucho. And Yama woman knew phone, so no, and easy. Bible such a colana kwa for some one from now they at the siphon moon nature. Unyini obentia kola kiti no ye masturbation. Unu bebia no masturbate. Nima umbinya phone the sign solo. Ni kom na wona wuchiaka na esa se wo ma. Omutu kwan Daniel ne frɛ no de ama ana omo ne fa no ma teste. Mami ye say you duru ha o am wo heme ne mo nkasa. Hello ma'am. You won't get your own phone. Not yet. So you to tell my woman phones are kese. Obi kwa timi no ma mechi ne birthday o just me ntoma wo. Nti that consider me a bad mother? And mommy a bad mother on. You would better to woman. Your man woman ya jinsamu. Yan ria yen ya bewo mu kumo mbitu yen. I don't know my woman bana was a mimi suru me ba. No. O pese mimi suru. And you won't send me nasi. No. Nsu be brave. Nkolani tested. Mom, they say we should do this. My free teacher. And what are you guys saying? So my children goes. So these people, they came from Africa. Say the man to say, what about who hunted Nigeria for this deeper life. I see everything. No, when your mem so the milk cocoa baby to see things. What you want to soon crowd money in Swatadish and the banner and Koye. And so Nigeria deeper life for no Fendiagro. The one who eat discipline, but will be true crew have no. No colonies say, including Ghanaians. So what you say? Wo ni krum hono okọ deeper life. Won fast obi true American dey ono nko na deeper life ni ne ba nye bia. Wa to ne boss ya wakola na wa money na sum. Nso dade ehye no di ni tiri ho aye na nye. Nkoye. Ne man kola na dane boss. Nti se nkola na wo campo. Nso wo mu testia nti maame ni asomdwe wa na mo ye me mane se na mo preach wono nko na wo ho oba ni nti mi preach lo siket na so ne pass prostitute no e mi nka ho asem o and no said that na papa ka asem o se abuche fo musuro wo mo ma no papa it's true. Some of them, not all of us. You move be when you meal dear one for fee, yet the money work Christo, yet the muti, a wooden near sick wisdom of flavor door. They cannot go over. No way. No way. And you Ghana phone call and a made in Ghana for William Nibidua, what bra. The made in Ghana, but ya only have to bloody. Who pay my boss? Who pay my boss? Tia money be bring in the Casanos in the first. Yeah, queer. No type of. Queer. Yes. Yes, no swan comment. No. Instagram. Yes. I don't from oh. Come on. What? Did somebody die? You screaming. Oh my goodness. Mimi scream. Oh, please. No, sorry. Bam. Wakapura bom. Bam. Since when you buy a house? Since when do you build your own house that you can slam a door like that? Since when? Since when you have a lot of money to buy a house so that you can be able to slam a door just like that in my face? Since when you buy a house? Akwasi no pufa akonyam. So put a video game. Akwasi. Akwasi na oh mom, please. What? Okay. Monsieur. My many features the kind of quiet video game. Akwasi. Hey, na kosi na nyana mi suwa ko fadi. Seriously, mom? Seriously? No jade na to bem no pia wonte. Some na ba wo move kura kokoye exercise kutum nika na oto odoso. E wa konyam. Couch potato, get up, move, go outside. No pufa konyam video game. Mr. Sao video game no. What abonten ma lock door tamam pen ma bi no you coming ko nam from am fa pie free fie woja na djuma ya ade we me kwa aba oso yo mate unya pie ya o ma video game sa no sa fan phone no be hey are you guys coming yeah you can come over no mugu from wo papa no mo tati YouTube ni ye hweniema ni ye hwe pono ni ye hweniema utumu sakolai wa discharge gudu hono wote wo no wa toro ni bi ye drugs of chire ni ye bi ye ke over oh brownies or bois brownies na bi si fio na wo see treat no that brownies is drugs you see no I saying yes or yare why you saying yes bodenia aposesa kan why you saying no si won ni eko dini papa hu na no usuro no eso ya oh na brofi no mu shitu tuntum for no ya nkola no lifestyle omo yitu wo no ya he wo mo bi ni wo mo ya bia se di wo si yo wo mo ni pants na ye ne ma me etumati sika koto wonya adwuma pants no da de to a e fofom e twonye no nso chense ne e twoaye no wa bra 7 previous adre wo ma na de sha wo be pia ko ni sisi e da ne to ase asori kura ye nko asori no a wo sha de na wo se shirt no na da ha Bon Jovi cheno skinny jeans se no se Bon Jovi cheno wo chene su kuta detail na de wa yi ni tiri ho ye ko yi tiri ni akala ho aba ka wo ye Kristo ni parent yi ka wo ba yi kura wo se ye decent ye nyi ba mfa boy nto ho mi kaita ma me yi wo muti foforo na mi kunu ku twete no se ei odo debi wo de wo ku yunti na de boy beto ho I have no problem about it but am kola no ye resist tuntum fo nkola mesrew no a boy if you walk na mfreme man na so you see from now if you guys go to barbering shop don't let anybody put a boy. It makes you a criminal. When people see you they think you a criminal. You hear me? You won't even get friends. People will be afraid of you. Even your teachers will back off. Okay? When you have your haircut, do not let them. Ebesine. Uko yinwa. Emfa boy bianto. What shall I see you nina? Umu yitri nina tu. Nenim da o say. Unko chebi nina fin churchile nyane tiko. Enya na pampam. O yini nina decent. Nana nimu da ho. Tiso wo hyehyet no bo ne belt no wo hye shoe no wo ba wo si abrante ni munyamfo ne be wo su de da bi akola ketwa si yesi yi ni tikura mpo no enkyere Kristo nti yefo ne yetete wo mu obaba ya no kokuru man tade ba bi sa no to bebre no di nu fumu gugu ho na se mi sister bi video bi be kire Ose London. Omo ye laundry part. Kuruma ye beka se laundry. 90. No mo de ahye. See through. No mo de ye party. And na sister ne sasem previous ahye na se. No ugina ho so sa emu mem. You putting all these videos out there for your children into man de no mbe. Oh penimu. Hwe de owo into man na chese de no mbe. They will double what you're doing. They will double what you do. And now say kuruma ye free people and abrofo be din some phone nka kuruma nka ahowo de ki ye ba ki ye sunso ye hu nso ahowo no niema wo mu ye no eh eniema ahowo ye no nfa kwem ni mani subi ye mano isubi ti ubo mo cham so a emmo ti wo de mo pie bedwama no woni wu because the akola na ye no ho no Bible verse ba kokora wonim. Ba wo beto no video game ho. Any movies o mo hwa, they know everything. Abeye kolo. Chese. Me ba boy ba ko say o mo ko school. And the teacher won't say I know what did you do? And I'm a say, oh yeah, did you go to church on Sunday? Or so what kind of question is that? Don't ask me that. Don't. Never do that. Why are you asking me that, did I go to church? No, say, ma'am, why this offense? I mean, to ask, did you go to church on Sunday? Really? And I say, okay, oh, say, yeah, she shocked me. No, says, but she always asks you, what did you do, right? Teacher Nino, she's offended. Some Bane Busa said, did you go to church on Sunday? Because who Busa on the honor yes Sunday, no Busa. She is offended. Sakolani Busa said, did you also go to church on Sunday? You see? Tiki fan kolani mure Kristo munanka nyamisuru kakra ngro munudu skumu omobumu. Omo se debi. So ombeya chreche nkolano, do you watch this? Do you nkolano betu omusu otua? E omo chro letter setie ni omo de koma parents. Na obana you say. Na obana you say. Na obana you say. Mwan so mudi adanse say de omo chre skumu wona mwa. Na parents fo so ni adaje ye pesika. Umedru baby e wo say baako eni edru baby e wo say baako wo fie say this say ni mesi kono so wan wo fie an wo ma no a e wo say parent ne baako watching gola no ye man kwan obi agya ne man wo fie the whole time no wo kwa adwuma ba na nkola ne wo fie e de na wo nko ate fie wo mo ye e de na nkola ne nko ate fie wo mo ye ke nkola no makwan na nko agya adwuma omo wo school na ka wo pesika guo omo makwan pe no adwuma no so meji leave na akọ na no omo betena fie kopem se school ni bebi because onima omo betena fie omo ye no enya asam ketwa omo ko school also ko adwuma omo pon also wapon mu nyina mo wo fie sa na wo say yo ba nkola no kama omo free school aba na fe na sister no wo ko adwuma obra no so ko adwuma ti wono be free dwuma beba obeba no na abo anadwo be 11 obeba no ma deda wonni ho no de no mo yeye de no mo yeye abra na wonni ho no ye jecha ye man too much. Why? Because we ye pesika ti intimi for mum pi bedem nti because of them we have a bad name. We allow them to control us, to tell us what to do. Man me pesa obani yese yo mate okwa ne ba nse no na mama na wo sa mama ne pekwan bi so no wo kan bibi defend the akola no, you know she will do this and tomorrow they will do this and next week this also they will do it. No a pa try so be akola no every day wo so wo yim. Why? Woni ne betena se akasa wo se yo oni ne kasa yo oh yo okono mo traka no akacha ne mama I won't do that. You tell them I'm not going to do that. You tell them I'm not going to do that. Dad, you better tell them I am not going to do that. Yeah, madam, how are you? Yeah, my kids supposed to go, but they cannot go because they will do this muchantro. Who are you fooling? Who are you fooling? Why can I didn't know say your man control America for they won't control us as the Christians. We shouldn't allow them to control us. When was the last time I watched Obama from here? So they were smarter than you. They know more. Because of the emotion or them, they know more than they know past you. Until now, kasa umudu. So was one she has answer. Or no was one she has answer. Was one to go. So what you say? Was so the mood. They know everything. Too, cause I know how star. You be feeling the number only more than you do. What also about what Brani be channel? Into kasa home because wherever you think is a wako aba. You say your poor mama, you drop mama and say you're tinting. I mean, my brother, you me feel. You would think it's oh, I'm not sure you a bad parent. You don't allow me no. Say someone collaborate bad the end nanka kwanya mchenanka me bad pa. Nso nesi ki timi ko tiesika e wa samando jini pa ne de ne bakakra ka mekọ kọje mese kwanya mche de na bakakra. Because wa boa me. Nso ne ye ntiamba. Uye woni ye den kaka wo ba so try to tenena yes ye ada sister bra ada na wo stretch sa nso sa ni pa ya wo kasa wo stretch ma oba ne nsai ono ade wo betena ho no maka wo nsem ono na be kan nsem agu so akwai Manuela Deo se ho ahwane ni mu ye nyina manfo di na wo fo atemu. They insult them. You do matter. So what you say? Abashaboni bia oye ni mguasie ma na wofo. Ti wo mo se wo ani eden wo street wo ma no. The same people say abrabone ntwe they are the one who tell you say you did not raise your kid good. The same people omo na beka. Same people. Man, who be just say, when we are back on Woodrow. The same people who say, the same people will come to you and tell you so what you mean. Me akola pass my oh woman as in Europe. If you are not distance ni much, me untina ujimi. So me ben pa ah boy. Oh, under my roof, would you lie? If you are not distance, no, a your phone call. Now, so ben me pa me nasi ni was made me. Ay, me bad neighborhood handcheck, and so mammy fui. They love my children so much. They love them. It didn't here. Almost show almost check him and say no. Nkola yo mu ye different. Unkasa obi enim rough. You respect people. Sanity. Ba ye de yenye sa. Obi cry out ya no say adan. Jano. Adan. Me nko me ba na enye jano na kola ne de enyi. Me kai story bi obi di bae. Ose ne ba obokro no a obi hia na na obey obokro no ka se ose adai me nko na mawo nya no metena se ade me ba me nko me ba na enye nya ma metena se na da ko de ne ba ne ko wi ade ene ya chi no ye de ni kotum for life e do court ke kan bibie wi e bebua no so pese o say hello to the mother no man case no da na se Mammy no bay no your hello or good no didn't see na so or come on titing. At they are sending mammy to me for Kenyan and the wee. So 24 Kenyan and the wee, the old yin and mammy 24. Ne mammy and Cassam or so son of summa the obey or yea and the neck a wee say. Tico was sister Cassatama, no dear Yambrasam, come a minute, Siam. Come on, I will follow Siano, Ecasatra, send the oil, and yet, but they did not do it. No, why, ya, Nakudum Pempenso, say, you didn't come for life. To walk, can you, mamma, so watching it. No, court more than Sassona, so who do ye. Next time, when your bar, obi tu ne fo betene tena bofra enne na wo kan wo mo so wonyo ebeduru mrebi na se me papa me se ei obi a be fa ne ba afiri me papa nchen na aka me mitimi susa abeka se mini mame yeseyo na me ye nti me se kaduane kra ka me hu noa kaduane ka me hu noa koso me mame wono wodi dwa wo wono wonya daje betene fie no no nuane sa na wasua nyame se kwa nyamcha ka me se bebu me nkwan agutom wo yamade wo boso wo ye na nye wo se wo de wo utiri na ye pa me se kam do bekọ kọma mfantini ba ma na tetewo wo mo de wo yamade na ne baketo bi se wo mo wo de be hwe ani ase ujire fufu so pampampa na wo nsam nyina si cheche wo ye kohin o se meka wo mana bo utiri mu akola ketwa na wudi a woka wo bi di a woka na so ma na fi waya made edidam wukura kaye wabana wa wufufu na ase basa ya mpraprai enwuru nkokom na wanya daje te wona wudidi ei ofra wa papa na dimika na ba jodi wase ei bibi na wonanti jodi nti wo ba na wonanti zim sano nti wonnim se di si to abasa to unamwa to abasa namti zim so bi ya wona tiko nanti nyina messe kwa nyamcha wo kire me nanti onya hohwa nyi obi ne be ka cho se sori firi ho ifie ne yam ho firi ho kwa abonte ahohwa ba nyi obi ne be ka kire wo se papa nya hohwo pie uji ago mami o papa ho mpachoy papa obi abonchen o osiyo amana konwa o manisuo kola opia bonten ti di besi bia wante impia bonten na ni pako no obesra no wonko ne hwe di besi wo fio ne hwe di besi me kai mre bi pa me remfida me papa kire wo bi baabi no woka maame no wunam si o ma kieso na esi ase o me papa se edi ntinam de ma no betum maame ne koye o se di nti ni musa masam na me de ma no ebetum o kire maame na de na me de bi papa nya yi na mi nim wot sa okay tu nim nyansa chame on uni mutu ba kurum haja mebwa uni kurum hanyina cheme na wo betire na de na menim se wo na wonim ni sa de aseka ni mami bae kama nkasampo ti firi wo wusu bi yi ni ti no oba se nkomo bae na odimrika nti wo ko age so ye na nkola no we ya ma ya titini utiti ni mu wo no ye mo ma bae o nsonne usum no wasom ono a be fa ne papa ne ma mi achi akodi konkon kokekansem nanu na wo shiki ground so mse ne ne den dodo dabi na nkame ma unyimi inne nti ohu se dua iso a na nka utimi tinetino na ujama ne be yidupon just all the dom eno so won sam nyina bit mu ja be plan utene na nyiye nti obi tete obama wa hey ya because woni ndi odi dua kola ne mu tina ne bia ne ka kire nkofo sa wari ja yenye se ye to ba ko mu obi ma ne tete no mu nyini wi a o wukura kaye ko so se di wuka wo a ko be tete no ya ntete ya sai no ne de na ma mfa wo ba mu obi so ntete ne da so tia si bo lo jukura eno ba no mfa ne ma obi so ntete ne be se na ma Ye say ni wi ani de na bro. Ye say ni wi ni de na bro seje. Ti oba obeke kananim eso ye. Obeke kananim a eso ye. No chance yes to manifest the old person na afi no you say. Na obo wani prepare. Ei. Na di o ma ye me bayi ni. Na o ye ma shi. Sanity. Obi so ye shada gin on kasa ompamo ompu ni shada gin. Because wo ho de nchen, wo wo sika chen. Ni ye hwim na firi nsem. Ye na koma akohwifo bi na o matete. Nti wo duru ba bi e wo so oba ho nchen na ye destroy na wie. Nti wo su no ene se de wo ye wo niema no ene ne de na mfa. Na be ye bedding. Ti misra wo fo wo ankasa tetoba. Titini ye na ama me ya de so amanda ache. Titiniye me that se me ni krom akra na me se me kofie for good me mai wan wi omo do omo ma bebre me se me ntete wo omo do omo ma omo be kama bakosem a kire wo omo ma ene omo nananom e ko omo fa omo ma me fa so tete wo omo ti wan wi me ti Africa ho na omo se omo ma se mo nko na ye ma me ntete wo. Sami papa da so tiasia me si ada se ko me nchen ana me manu gu na ase no mun testi kakra se du sitete me ne kakra ade so what you see so that time I thought a day me nko a day nyame nko na me papa wo ba ne me so me nko na ese ya bo be se me ntana na me nko me no ntana aba dear worker who consume who yes just say too much who could what I didn't before adeya papa si busa also papa usika utumi to material kese nkola nta de fi no mo hwehwe na eso so mo pan me ban hye bi nti me nko a me su kwatade ten na esi me na ase ah to be am timi de bet no try some twetwe atade na koso se na kam de abom na ya so me sidiam twe na nkola so wa woni school for na ye sreme I papa matade no se ense wadodo wasika chom so papa usika nti woto material na woto no kese na ya pam de egura wo ame nko matade na egura me enso matade ni egura me nyina nso na me headmaster wonye me papa ni me se headmaster ni tribom tini bay obema na tade na aye ball le me to bi nchen nso still na me headmaster no wi na ni hwa me wi na ni show osuma office na utwa ni hwe bonkum ni nifa na hwe na so bi ani wo na wo twe ho a bibi kitikiti na wa fra wo assembly osebra misaya GSSP me hu ntai headmaster Mr. Ofori won pe masam pem because me man kwan na odi agro so me papa beti me papa so te so dia ai asema ba wan hwe ye e be yi na di koso me papa kasa ah bibi besi tina me hu aye last wo basa o se GSSP man hwe me am prapra yi nti wo de me be set example now GSSP akibu me ni edi magina assembly emi kuta pilam yeso ye wusha ahyegu na enkola yi bi da me fom me to 14 ya so matade no so say ya mo me pipia matade na a flat wo me to papa yi boni ono so wo ba no twa kakra wo headmaster wo twa bie so what 14 me to so what you see se me ni evidence bi e meka kire kwanyamche ni evidence wan e wadwuma yi ne abo won de se nyai na kamitimi kaka se because of this ntina papa itamia o bisiki yi na dipam woni na busu afiri kuro no ache so what you see ye mu bebre ye maame no ne papa no ye street no ye mo hwe ya brabo decent siri ye niam akura to mu say yes ye nyantete ye ofie na fa ye compare dada mani bi na ne ye nka wo mo asem no ne ga de so what you say timi sramo busuafo mpempen so ye dru no we are living in the last days ade onyankopon aka bia bebam but the obekọ awurade nim akosere ne se awurade boa me na mintimi ntete me mayi no oboa wo odi nkola na nkoma ehye won sam ema wutumi control enkola ebi ko sleep over me kwa ha madam for ha me fia me ma wo nya sa nso me wo mu kurum ha wo mu ye mrante wo mu wasoso se mi sese nso kasa ya me say Loveless de jai nanse wo ma school kwan me ko school award mako miensa teacher for sunsa me bana efiri ho ko different school me nim se me bana ye popular school mu wasa ye born in Loveless aka na woman boy so yo parking lot na amanfo chensi me aka chem say you raised such a nice boy, you raised such a good boy, good job madam, you raised such a nice parking lot na amanfo to me ebe catch me say ma raise akola papa ye pie you know na amanfo hwehwe me e bi to me o parking lot abeka say you raised such a nice boy. Ye boy akola idia because na first wo yes ni teacher no so omra them say no nim say wo mbema na works na mi kunse ne ma me fa o fa ne ko timi kwa ne kwa wana msi we wo kotena wo mko keka mo ntama na wo asore di award no ye di e de say no moyi mi kotena ni me be ye bon the whole time say eh bra na say we popular chemi to obi animu because he's so good etro bi obeba wa missing the bus I was say me ko fan adaya wo twem na obi ade ahwegu ni books ni ne magu fom nti no e wo so oboa no sesa no ye o clean ho no ye bibia nti na man missing the bus oh because na me boa ni pass mesi nti na man missing me bus na ade we na wo se me ye e wo se me boa no ne ma me nya me fa no ono nko ani gina ho na wo se me twen e ma ne ma me ba be fa no nti na ma nti say because of ni ma kolei obi animu no ye born in the whole kakraka na manfo bia boji so ye me nya kwen create me by video me ya block me before teacher ni be friend akola yi won sam o kan ye pa ansa na akola yi do stage one no enya agro na me say hey na teacher for we will miss you oh my goodness we na teacher for susa akola no e ko different school me traka me bo mani na me sumi se awrade me do wase se de wo bo a me ma me dua akola ne mu a manifest wa bonten a manifest enye se odi bu ma me wo fie nko a obi abonte so saa na wote kitwa no eno no we ada we kakra ni so hye kakra no se de ne bra ne se ayes wo dwan no ono no de ne different but ono so he have this character in him or get too close to people se e ko be fa so bi tu fo aka nkran hye sama kire wo wo kra wo be ba wani ono so ne de no ono wo si wo di an wo ba man is okay nothing lasts forever you know that. You know, that's life. Akola keto. No abonko musi. Ono na ne papa pese udi nkoma, odi ni huri tira ne ken. Wose penny no ono nkasa. We no de obit me no ma communicate. Nti ade bi obete enenye Vince na me ne nkomodi ma. No oni akola ni di nkomo se penny mu. No na de ne sa wo kasa we we just wo kan 3 times. Me so me pen passion. Nti no me no be problem. The also way no sorry when him say they say yeah I want no also carry trash we do do hana ya de no the obey ni nyina physical things no ube piano no wo ye ni nyina ni bra ono no tekike se bia meja wo mo so mo nko ba bi sa akola wo se mayi mani na ni wo ni bra ne ho saa. Loveless, and I'm say Loveless. So you are popular in this school. So Loveless, you are a star. Everybody know you know what kind of front to know what's right. I don't know you are a star here. So everybody, how come everybody knows you? Like, or say, Mama, I don't know. Teacher for even bass or mutin. I collect me a good bass man, a bass na man. Certificate, a good whatever for the year. Me books give me will be good. Loveless. And so me ma wo mo chance. Udi rough me bonasum. Me ma wo mo chance. You need rough in me. To niema hanging ni say, ye ni say, only rough. Sadety. Me see me ye video, ewo from me pessimity will be a voice. Obe trying the best. Leave I to nika gru osuno. Mami so person will be to be a voice. Or hen idea. I just saw me tiemu so from hadia. And ye me fitting ya na chopper. Mom, sorry we disturb you. It's not me. It's Levi. He's running. We can control him. So what yes? In the video game, mini bi ofia. Mento. No better not say. No. Mento. Miss Ram, ye omundi ye that you. Hey, one more almost say any day. One next day, they will insult you because of your kid. Hey, now we street on Colana so do boy. One day, they will ban by you. One, the baby did do attempt someone to take Colani. Day, a crewman call a 1 year street or Mujimi. Freedom need too much. 1 year street here, obey Jimmy Rough. Ye di omu kofia see side di atem na di no motetin kola say ni enyan so jom ese omu ni di omu atem na portrait nkoko ye di omu tru fia. They say all these kinds of words to our children. They say a lot of things to our children. It will be quite na yawa when I broche for man di omu Jimmy we say portrait nkoko omu fia omu Jimmy. No, it was sad ye na tucha. I was see the medu fu omu say yes ya tete e ma. Omunya portrait nkoko omunya Jimmy jolly omunya Jimmy sada wo see yes are the same people no omudi hu ahye na kruma de yentia ba police. But police, which police? Which kind of police? Which kind of police never chimisano? Hey, last me made a make us, and you see we Africans. Me, if police get me in Ghana, I'll have a problem. But if police get me in America, I'm good. Because they will serve me breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At the same time, I will have peace of mind to read my Bible. And I hear people even come to preach and all that. I will join them. And that will even help me to evangelize to people. So because I'm from Africa, prison is nothing for me here. I will be very happy. That will be a huge vacation for me. Okay, Mr. With the same people, with your tax money, they will take it and take care of me in the prison. Africa, they name. And then they want me, you will be. I have the other party, more there. For police, bay. And the teacher for no, we are a teacher for no. You go to the teacher, talk to the teacher. What's some and no monk. Busanima miensa. A tribia moncolana ba much say, into some tiffy and timi banny. No banu baby disrespectful, not what you may day mawa. Which one do you want? I call on say, why as a mother, as a parent, minimum coins and me ba. I'm asking you. And now, no moment who says someone I must say a man. Because you love your checks than raising our children. Nkolana makwanu mo be fia, they were decent. As soon as they start school, because of someone to menti, na mo yen menti na nkolana say. And I'm not ready for my children to go to jail at the age of 17. That's what I'm seeing in America. These young children are going to jail. And I'm not ready to send my children at that age. That's why I'm very strict over my children. And no one can take my children away from me. Oh yes, I'm raising my children in a good way. If all your classroom children behave like my children, you will be very happy, right? But you have headache. From Monday through Friday, you know that if it wasn't your paycheck, you will leave this job, right? Missy teacher Niba, Kuminene Kastasa, was say, wow, you are a very intelligent woman. But you know, Miss Joe, it's not us. It's the states that give them opportunity to do all these things. And sometimes the reason why we don't talk much is because we will get fired from our jobs. And we pay bills, that's why. And I said, so because of your money, that's why you guys don't help us to raise these children. Because we go to work. You have these children 80% in your hands. So if you didn't do a good job, what do you think? How can these children turn around very good? How? We both supposed to raise these children. If I'm going to work to pay bills and this is your job, why can't you help me to raise just children? You care about your paycheck so much that you don't want to talk or help me to raise them very well. When children being disrespectful, you tell them, you give them time out. They should stay home. The next day they shouldn't come to school. Why don't you do something here? I say, I used to back home in my teacher's office. She will let you kneel down. If Americans say do not beat children, how about the kid should kneel down on your knees? Kneel there like 45 minutes before you. Your arms is up. You will be shaking. Nobody beats you. Next time you won't go there. Go to that library. Put all the books on the floor. Let them fix it. Organize all the books. By the time they finish, next time they won't do that again. So if they don't want you to beat them, then find a different way to teach these children. Why can't you guys also do that? Or say, you know, if I do this, this teacher won't do it. And then at the end of the day, we have a meeting, I will be in trouble. That's why. And I'm saying, then you guys are not helping us. That's why our children are going to jail at a very young age. And I don't want to see my children going to jail in a very young age. I want to raise prominent people. That's why. So I am very strict over my children. I'm telling you. I am very strict. And if they come to school, they did something and you discipline them, I have no problem. I'm not those... What's it man that's in the short paragraph? And you will make sure because of so what the battle. And you come into my womusuru. Womusuru. To be able to only be a show. I had the and Tiamba, and you see a virgin influence. Who say so? My boomy bam me back at my bunam and the chin bia. My media bar bono. I'm on the chin bia swaswa. Who mark no. Sabi when you be with that. And I'm say yes, you will see blood. Don't play jokes. Oko school when to me na me an kan teacher ni bi say me mama ambo me ama mechi abia bia. No. Eto bi no so what that say ya na na chi ni ye ne ya. No say that's a lesson next time. I'm bound so side the chrono when you be mu da bi si ne. Say me kunu na abash on na ntiamba ono nkasa me na me nyame so ya de se nkomu tie masem me kunu on kan tito bia me say e godo she say this tie boss mame o de wo that's your job nso we wo ko wo mu mi nyina na me ba papa no kra na so kra de ebia papa no bitima tie wo say na wo tie me ba ebia mama no bitima yo say na wo tie nti akola no ya wo si nti anu de mi ka no ko mama no na me papa yi mi say no akosi adai wo pesi agi akola yi free ensam wana woni mi say me bai ye beji ne free ensam na akola no so hu de wo mpem ko an mo de be ye wo ti afa wo mbeba be ye wo boss e wo fi yo wo kwa adwuma de ba be ye wo mo na wo mo ye wo boss masoda not in my presence oh bo wi chele kura ugurun kukum pepa mama tam me ba no awi wo be ye ne ntem so to niema because wo be ko college mini ho to ni yesi di si to niema na chene bi wunya roommate a what is you dem yesi di si wo toilet so obi wo kra wo fa dia ma na wo nchi mu oni mi yo ugurun kukobe no dia dia no ahuru bo se huru nyina oni mi Pippa, is that how you do it? Okay. Pippa, there's a mirror. Is that how you, okay. No, I am trying to see. Next you know enter time. Praha vacuum the place once or vacuum na and yama da form no or go around it. Onim say ye a dear free ho. Ye yaman na me hoya in way. Do be as a way. Please. Yen sha se ma yenim ko yema ne entetom. And yes the ombe no at the end of the day the people who think you are straight no the same people who insult us. Ombe ka se entete yema ne. Ombe ka se entete yema ne. Omo ibeba bi didi watem. Enei omo se woni e de dodo wo ye straight. Ba ebeba be so ba o china. So jai and o show mo tacho no mo say the same people who tell you so near them the same people will tell you so mana pro the same people o se chira bo frane kwa on fa so no nini a o mfiri ho na Yesu so aka o se mo mo frane kwa mo mra Yesu Kristo che no wo wisdom mo frane kwa no mo mura safu muntumi nye fo munhye bibi muntumi nye bibi na de bi omutuma sua o chorosem obi bia e be kokoto baby na nyame yesem kasa kire no de wagya no nani o ma me kasa nka bi onye sei o papa kasa ni di na tem o hia pani afabu ni di ma no wo yesei ya o be ko heaven wo yesei ya o be ko heaven ni tichi de sa na nyame hu suro mumura sa abofra no anya sa yebe ye dwuma yehu yekodru fia yebe bu ye manage me fo tie japade bi kura wa ye no ibu ye wo man so mo ye double tani yebu. Don't let them sit in the couch playing games the whole day. Get your ass out, find something to do, exercise ko tu me coming fifiri sanu ansan wo wura mfanchi nkutamfa ko guru tinu me kan chamtem fifiri to run area ho tumrika chawo sa go 3 times. So what you say? Beba ni fifiri to no bo wura dai no ko dare no odidi no ma Bible so TV we hear Bible stories na wo you Nickelodeon ye hwe bi wo fia ye teaching kola no ne mo bone sani ye phone na ikuta wo mo eno na say wo mo na ne bi koso wo ntia se phone no eni ma de wanye muso they download a lot of things o hwe wi say ya no delete no o hwe wi say ya I have computer net in a ball. Dear trenching. Yes, me down fear. What the rough? Me no fear. And you can dollar home children on a me remember. Mukusku and Amico. Mupomba, Miss Maba, in you feel my modi and a modi, but teach him what to do. Me now feel one. Man say. So you don't move, make us a will be cold. Nkolano Kwane Ufi. See me at school. Omudim some hunubiabi ma me ne beba no man ye bibia esu munmu he ni di bone e bi ye drugs through that tu betwa wani no wonye sika sifie wo Ghana na o mana sei ntimfa so be na e wo so wonye sika sidan wo Ghana ba wo mana sei nti wo koya na wo bai misram yema yeninko yema no enne kakra bi sei ena onyame na meswaka